Apple Automated Device Enrollment Token expired or about to expire. Do not panic. This is one of those problems that looks scary but takes less than 2 minutes to fix once you know exactly where to click. And that is exactly what I'm going to show you right now. Let's go to the token you want to renew. Click on Devices. Under Device Onboarding, click Enrollment. Click on Apple. And then click Enrollment Program Tokens. Now click on the token you want to renew. Click Renew Token. Here's the thing to understand. The only action you actually need to take in Intune is uploading a new token from Apple Business Manager. That is it. Open Apple Business Manager by clicking the link that says Generate a new token for Apple Business Manager, or you can directly open Apple Business Manager yourself. Log in with your ABM account. Click on Devices. Then click on Management Services. Now select the token you want to renew. You can have multiple tokens, so make sure you select the exact token which you want to renew. Pro tip: match the token name with the token in Intune. Once you confirm your correct token, select the token. In the top right corner, click on the 3 dots and click Download Token. Now go back to Intune and upload that token you just downloaded. Click Next and then click Create. Once that is done, open the token page again to see the updated expiration date, and that confirms it. Your token is now successfully renewed. If this quick walkthrough saved you a few minutes, drop a like. It really helps the channel. And subscribe for more Intune and Apple device management tutorials. I will see you in the next one.